Hello friends, today we are making a tender and delicious corned beef brisket and cabbage with carrots and potatoes. However, we will be baking our brisket in the oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Start by carefully removing meat from packaging. Rinse off brine as this will remove any excess salt from your meat. Set the seasoning packet aside and pat the brisket dry. On high heat, add 1 tablespoon of bacon fat or oil of your choice to a large pan. Once hot, sear each side of the brisket for 2 to 3 minutes. Turn off heat and remove meat from your pan and place it into a baking dish. We used a 9x13 aluminum tray. Add half a teaspoon of garlic paste to 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard and mix. You can also use minced garlic. Rub the mixture on the meat, top, sides, and bottom. Then position the meat fat side up. Next, add contents of the seasoning packet to the top side of the brisket. Add a pinch of black pepper. Place your tray or dish on a baking sheet and add about half a cup of beef broth. This was enough for our tray. You want about 1/4 of an inch to half an inch of liquid on the bottom of the tray. Cover your dish tightly with a sheet of aluminum foil. Place your dish onto the center rack of the oven and cook for 1 hour and 25 minutes. You want to cook your corned beef brisket for approximately 1 hour per pound. Ours is 2 3/4 pounds, so we will cook it for 2 hours and 45 minutes. Prepare your carrots by peeling and cutting them into 1-inch pieces. Next, cut your potatoes into 1-inch slices. Place into a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, then mix. At the 1 hour and 25 minute point, take out of the oven and carefully remove the foil as steam will release when opening. Add your carrots and potatoes to the sides of the brisket. Allow 1 hour and 20 minutes to 1 hour and 30 minutes of cook time for your vegetables. We decided to add sliced onions as well. This is optional though. Cover your dish and place into the oven for an additional 1 hour and 20 minutes. After the 1 hour and 20 minutes is up, we removed the foil and placed the dish into the broiler for about 5 minutes, but this is totally optional. After 5 minutes, remove from broiler and cover, allowing meat to rest while you prepare your cabbage. Using the same pan from earlier, add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Once melted, add your sliced cabbage. Add 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon crushed red pepper. The crushed red pepper is optional. Give it a quick mix and cook for 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add a pinch of salt and pepper and stir. Reduce heat to medium-low, then add 1/3 cup of water. Mix, then cover and cook for 5 to 7 minutes or until cabbage is completely cooked. Once cabbage is cooked, turn off heat and set aside. Remove foil and transfer brisket to cutting board, slice, and you're ready to serve this delicious corned beef and cabbage with potatoes and carrots. We hope you like this recipe and try it. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Enjoy!